Good lighting can transform your video from to wow. But don't worry, you don't need a fancy light setup to make it happen. Let's talk about why lighting is everything and how to master it with what you have. Natural light is your best friend. The sun is the best light source you'll ever have, and it's free. For soft, cinematic tones, aim to shoot during golden hour, right after sunrise or just before sunset. This creates that soft dream, almost like it belongs in a movie. DIY lighting tricks. Can't rely on sunlight? No problem. Here's a quick trick. Take any desk lamp and add a diffuser, like baking paper or a thin white cloth. This softens the light and eliminates those harsh shadows. Don't forget, lamps can also be used as set decorations and give you that cinematic backlighting. Stylize your lighting. Overhead lighting isn't just for interrogations. When used intentionally, you can add drama and style to your shots. This works great if you're going for a mysterious or artistic vibe. Think of it as creating intentional shadows. In my shots, I like pointing a lamp directly across to add interest to a background or subject. Want to take it to the next level? Add some color. A simple gel or even some colored plastic from Officeworks over your light can change the entire mood of your shot. Stylized lighting lets you set the mood. Just remember, every light has a purpose. Use it to tell your story. And that's it. With natural light, some simple DIY tricks, you've got everything you need to nail some cinematic lighting. No fancy gear required.